dream inside my heart, it grows a little every day. It tells me I am strong and smart, and I can help in my own way. I dream of smiles and helping hands, of kindness leading what we do. A brighter world, a better place, where love and hope shine through.
When I believe in who I am, there's nothing I can't try. With courage, hope, and faith in me, I'll reach up to the sky.
I have a dream, yes I do. A dream of hope for me and you. I'll stand up tall, I'll do my part, with kindness leading my brave heart. I have a dream, shining bright, guiding me with love and light. Step by step, I'll help and care. I have a dream we all can share.
I have a dream we all can share.
I dream of friends from everywhere, different stories, hearts the same. We listen, learn, and show we care. Respect and love, we rise together. If I fall down, I'll try again. Mistakes will help me grow. My dream reminds me every time there's so much more I know.
I choose to speak with gentle words. I choose what's good and true. My dream grows stronger every time I help someone like you.
I have a dream, yes I do. A dream of hope for me and you. I'll stand up tall, I'll do my part, with kindness leading my brave heart. I have a dream, shining bright, guiding me with love and light. Step by step, I'll help and care. I have a dream we all can share. Yeah. So small inside, but they grow when we believe. When we choose love over fear, there's so much good the world can see. Yeah. I have a dream, strong and true, to make the world a better view. With hope in me and love to give, I'll dream big dreams the way I live. I have a dream and I can see the change begins with you and me. So dream it, believe it, let it start. The world needs what's inside your heart.
Picture all the things that I could be, a kinder, braver version of the very best in me. I see a world of helping hands, of voices strong and kind, a place where hope is growing in every heart and mind. Every dream begins with believing, every step begins with me. If I choose love and courage, I can help the world see. Inside, if we believe and try each day, our dreams can light the way. I dream of friends who lift each other when the road feels long, of listening hearts and open minds where everyone belongs. I dream of peace in little moments, big changes starting small. One kind word, one helping hand can make a difference after all. When I speak with care and kindness, when I choose to do my part, every dream becomes much closer when it starts inside the heart. I have a dream, yes I do, a dream of me and you, standing strong, doing what's right, letting our kindness be our light. I have a dream, shining bright, filled with hope and truth inside. If flourishing alone, they grow when we stand tall. When we help, when we care, when we rise each time we fall. No dream is ever too big or small. When love is what we choose, the future's bright, the path is clear. With hope we'll never lose. I have a dream, strong and true, a dream of what our hearts can do. Hand in hand we'll find our way, building a brighter, better day. I have a dream, I believe in you, in me, and what will be. With hope to guide and love to lead, our dreams will grow from every seed. So dream out loud, dream with care. The world needs your dream.